Welcome. If you're tired of getting those original audio notifications every time someone uses your sound on Instagram Reels, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the simple steps to turn off original audio notifications on Instagram Reels, updated for the latest version of the app. Let's get started and make your Instagram experience a little more peaceful. First, open up the Instagram app on your device and head straight to your profile. You can do this by tapping your profile picture in the bottom right corner of your screen. Once you're on your profile page, look for the three horizontal lines, also known as the menu icon, in the top right corner. Give that a tap to open up the menu. From here, find and select Settings and Privacy. This will take you into a list of options where you can customize your Instagram experience. Scroll down until you see the Notification section and tap on it. This is where you can manage all the different types of notifications Instagram sends you. Next, look for the option labeled Live and Reels. Tap on this to access a new menu dedicated to notifications related to live videos and Reels. Here's where you'll find the setting for Original Audio Notifications. Under the Original Audio section, you'll see a few different options. To stop receiving notifications whenever someone uses your original audio in their reel, simply select Off. Once you've done this, Instagram will no longer send you those notifications, giving you more control over what alerts you receive. And that's it. You've successfully turned off original audio notifications for Instagram Reels. Now you can enjoy scrolling, creating, and sharing without those extra interruptions. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick and easy Instagram tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.